Sake is not good.
Oh, it's 2 separate sauces.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Just So y'all, we're in Nishiki Market trying all of the snacks. We just tried this huge piece of chicken breast. It was so juicy and it has a nice sweetness to it. We just got some strawberries, gonna try those out in a bit, and then we're gonna keep walking down to see if we can find other things to try. So y'all, we made it to our fourth hotel. We're still in Kyoto. We're staying at the Mirror Hotels. This one is so nice. It's an actual apartment. I'll insert a video clip of it so you guys can see. But it's so spacious. There's 4 of us. There's a huge table for us to sit at and eat. We just got done running around one of the food markets and we tried a whole bunch of snacks. We're gonna kind of chill out for now, and then we're gonna go back out later for a light show at this cool castle. We really wanted to see cherry blossoms, but they're not blooming over here yet, so we're gonna have to keep hunting for them. Hopefully when we go to Osaka next, we'll see them. But sweet dicks for now. Bye. But I missed it.
Nishiki Market.
Nishiki Market. My cousin wants to come next year, and she's been asking me like, what have we been doing? And so far, like, cause she knows me and her are both food people, so she's been asking me what's the favorite part. I gotta tell her it's Nishiki Market now.
Nishiki Market in Kyoto.
Yeah, purple looks serious. Alright, I'm gonna have to switch. I'm gonna go black. All of us can't be on purple.
Who's up? Who else
I
is
ain't look at
purple?
the other one. I missed it.
I'm purple.
Alright, 2 purple, 2 black?
No, I definitely think purple. He looking more fierce.
Okay.
Ooh, mama.
I might get my point. I might go for those ones though.
Shade of purple too.
Oh.
Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
Black. Come on, baby black. Come on, baby
Oh my
black. What are we betting now? 100?
Nope.
I got you.
I mean, I was wrong the last time I
y'all, coming to you still from Kyoto. So we're on our way to see the 10,000 Gates Temple Shrine.
All right, so we can go.
Walking through this little city. It's hella cute.
Changing up. Did you look at the? Did you look at the picture?
Yeah, where did you look? Where did you look?